Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sheet and script container. Open the Google Sheet, copy the sheet ID, then open extensions right arrow app script. Once done, create a new script file named code, GS and a HTML file for the form. You will set up due post, E as the entry point so Google can receive form submissions. Make sure to enable the app script project's deployment later. This is the first actionable step that wires your form to server-side logic. Now implement the middle logic. In code, GS write a due post E function that reads E, parameter for field names you expect. Once you parse values, open the sheet with Spreadsheet app. Open by ID sheet ID, select the correct sheet, and append a row with mapped values. Also add simple validation and trimming so malformed inputs don't shift columns. After that, create a simple success JSON response. Make sure to test with dummy data and log E to inspect payload structure. To finish, deploy the app script as a web app. Choose execute as me and allow access to anyone, even anonymous if external form posts are required. Once deployed, copy the web app URL and update your HTML forms action, or use fetch/xhr to post JSON and handle the success response. If something fails, check the app script logs, stack driver, and confirm scopes and sheet ID. Often errors are permissions or wrong sheet name, so inspect returned error messages and redeploy after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.